In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a form in Webflow, step by step. This guide is perfect whether you're just starting with Webflow or looking to enhance your website's functionality with easy-to-use forms. So, let's get started. First, open up your page in the Webflow Designer. This is where you'll be making all the changes to your website, and it provides a robust interface for building and designing your site. Once you're in the Designer, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find a host of tools at your disposal, and today we'll focus on the Add Elements icon. It looks like a small plus symbol, and clicking on it will open up a variety of different elements that you can incorporate into your page. With the Add Elements panel open, scroll down until you find the Forms section. Alternatively, if you're having trouble locating it, you can use the search bar at the top of this panel by typing in Form Block. This is a great trick to quickly find what you're looking for, especially if you're dealing with a large number of options. Once you've located the form block, it's time to drag it onto your page. Make sure you place it precisely where you want your form to appear, as this will be key in ensuring your design aligns perfectly with your vision. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first go. You can always move and adjust it as necessary. Now let's talk about customization. Webflow gives you complete control over the design and functionality of your form. In the Add Elements panel, for example, you can add or remove default fields to suit your requirements. This could be anything from a simple name and email setup to something more detailed. To ensure your form fits seamlessly with your site's overall design, style the form and its elements by selecting them and adjusting their properties in the panel on the right. This could involve changing colors, fonts, or even adding unique styles to make the form visually appealing and on-brand. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel, it's crucial to configure your submission settings. Select the form block, then navigate to the Form Settings tab. This section is essential for deciding what happens after a user submits the form. To have submissions sent directly to an email, click the Add icon next to Connected Apps. From the options provided, select Email, and don't forget to enter the recipient's address. This ensures that all form submissions are directed to the right place, keeping communication streamlined and efficient. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily add and customize a form in Webflow, making your site not only functional, but also tailored to your needs. Thanks for tuning in. Happy designing.